In this video, I will show you how to unblock any website on a school Chromebook. To get started, just open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to the following address, which is frog.hpsschools.org. Now, once you've done that, hit enter. It's going to take you to a screen like this. There might be a pop-up that comes up, which you just need to click yes to, all great. And from here, you can actually access a ton of different websites. You can see, for example, we have Discord, we have Twitch, we have YouTube, movies, TikTok. What you can also do is search for anything using the search box here. So if I type Discord into here, and what I'm going to do is hit enter. And once you've done that, you can of course use this to visit different websites. And as you can see, it's going to take us directly to the websites. Absolutely fine. You can see it uses this kind of inbuilt browser down here. And that is how to unblock any website on a school Chromebook. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.